Bookish, yes or no? I'm going to say something book related and you're just going to reply yes or no based on your personal opinion, whether you do this thing, like this thing, whatever. Have fun. Reading audiobooks. Reading fan fiction. Breaking the spine of a book on purpose. The one bed trope. Series that have more than 10 books in them. Real people on front covers. Cliffhangers. Goodreads. Reading reviews before you read the book. Book clubs. Tabbing the pages. Taking the dust covers off. Folding back the front cover while you read. And listening to music whilst reading.